Hello everyone, this is Kautil Roshan and today we will be talking about what is marketing, what is online marketing and what is digital marketing and what are the components of a digital marketing that we need if we want to make a career out of digital marketing as a freelancer or as we want to do for our own company or for any company we want to work for. Then again, let's start with marketing. If we talked about marketing, it is simply activity of a company undertakes to promote the buying or selling of a product or services. And again, it may include, like you can say, advertisement, selling and delivering products to consumer or other businesses. Then again, marketing is also done by some affiliate. Affiliate means third party. You can say any third party that is promoting others product. Basically, for example, if I am promoting other company product or other like you can say other businesses products and all, so that will I will be called as a affiliate for that particular company. Then afterwards we have online marketing. Online marketing is the practice of leveraging web based channel. So what is web based channel? Web based channel means internet. So again, when you like heard the word online, the first thing that probably comes to our mind is internet, because without internet I can't be online. So online marketing is a marketing where we do with the help of internet. So internet is a compulsory thing. So again, we spread the message about a company, brand, product or service to its potential customers or to its potential, you can say. Then we have digital marketing. Again, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the promotion of brand like through which we connect with the potential customer using the internet or other form of digital communication. What is other form of digital communication? Means without internet also we can do digital marketing. For example, here like suppose if I send you a message, you don't need internet connection to read that. So that's why I have written here, this include not only mail, social media or web base advertisement, but also text and multimedia message as a marketing channel. Then afterwards, if we talked about component of a digital marketer, we need to become, like suppose, a successful digital marketer for freelancing, for doing freelancing, or you can say if we are working for a company or for our own brand. So there are majority of a component that we need to learn. Is first one is SEO. So what is SEO? SEO is called as search engine optimization, and it is a process of improving the quality and quantity of website traffic to a website or web page from search engine like Google. So again, here in SEO we learn how to rank a website. For example, if we go to Google and if we search anything, for example, if I go here and suppose I am searching about digital marketing course. So if I search digital marketing course and if I scroll down without AD word, whatever we are getting, this is called as SEO results. This is called as local SEO, GMB, Google My Business Listing or Map Listing. Then afterwards, whatever we are getting here, these all are called as SEO results. Then afterwards, if we say second component is social media. So what is social media? It is a two-way interaction platform where we connect with people around the world. Why it is called as two-way interaction platform? Since like if we are connected or in Facebook, I can send you a message, we can send each other friend request or other people friend request, and again I can comment on your picture, you can give reply. So that's why it is called as two-way interaction platform. In social media, you have to learn is like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn and YouTube. These are 5 must-have platform, though we have other platform also, but these are 5 must-have platform. And in social media also we have two kinds in the sense, like if I open Facebook and if I show you, it's like one is called as organic and other one is called as inorganic or advertisement, or you can say sponsored post also people say. So whenever you see sponsored label in any social media and all, that is called as paid marketing or advertisement, and without a sponsored whatever you are seeing, that is organic in form of stories or post or whatever you are seeing. And whenever you are seeing any sponsored, like if I scroll down here, you can say this is again called as paid marketing. So again it is called as paid social media. So again To be exact, if I say social media have two things, one is optimization, that is organic without sponsored, and one is social media marketing, that is a paid marketing with the sponsored batch. Now after that, like in any, like you can say in Instagram also, if you are seeing sponsored, Twitter also, and in LinkedIn also if you are seeing, so that will be a paid marketing, and without sponsored, whatever you are seeing, that is a organic marketing. Then afterwards we have third thing is search engine marketing, and many people call it SEM, and it is called as Google ads also, or paid marketing also. So again, in paid marketing, like what exactly is this, let's first see that. So search engine marketing is, it is like involving the promotion of website by increasing the visibility in the search engine. So for example, when we go in Google and we type anything, for example, if I go and if I open a tab, suppose in Google, if I go here and I search anything like digital marketing course, for example, I search. So here you can say with the AD word whatever I am getting, this is called as again search ads. So again, search ad or text ad, this is one type of advertisement that you should know to become a search engine marketing expert, or if you are doing for any other brand. Then again, second form of like you can say search of engine marketing is like what we see on other website. So if I go and if I show you other website example like ClickBuzz, here you can see ad by Google. How I know this is ad by Google? Just you take your mouse to here, you can see it. This is called as display ad and image ad. And the third kind of ad is YouTube ads, what we see on the YouTube. And the fourth is app install ad, like for iOS and Android, whatever app install ad that you see while browsing through your mobile device, since app can be only installed in mobile device, so that's why you see the app install ads only on mobile devices. And again, after that, fifth kind of ad that we have to learn is, you can say, is shopping ads. Shopping ads, what is that? So whenever I am searching for anything related to, like you can say e-commerce, suppose I am searching for women's shoes. So when I search for women's shoes, so you can see here whenever I get ads with the pictures, price and the brand, so this is called as shopping ads. So this is what you have to learn in search engine marketing, this 5 concept. Along with that, if you know remarketing also, like we can remarket people with the help of like a tag that is called as in the Google ads that we have is called like site tag. When we install, after that we can remarket to the people. What exactly is remarketing? It's like reaching out to the people who have already interacted with my brand and all, and most probably they have interacted with my website. So again, I can show them ads again and again. After that, if we go, like fourth thing is email marketing. So email marketing is again act of sending commercial message. Commercial means like you can say marketing message. So again, typically to the group of people using email. So whenever we are using mail as a tool to send marketing message, we can call that email marketing. So in email marketing, you should know how to build a mail, basically how to design the mail, how to send the mail to the bulk people, and third thing, you should know how to analyze the report. You can check my email marketing video if you want to know like how you can do email marketing practically. Then afterwards, fifth thing is video analytics, is web analytics. So again, web analytics is basically, you can say, a process of analyzing the behavior of visitors to a website. So again, this can involve tracking, reviewing and reporting data to measure web, or you can say website, rather I will say website. So again, what we measure, like we measure what people are doing in our website, what is their age group, what is their gender, and what time they are spending in my website. So it helps me to create the strategy for my digital marketing platform, so that I can measure like, okay, how my SEO is working, how my social media is working, and how my Google ads is working, or how my email marketing campaigns are working, so that I can analyze and I can improvise in my strategy that is currently I am working for any company or any client. Then we have content marketing also, What exactly is content marketing? It is like whatever content that you consume through all digital platforms. So again, it could be a website, you can say content, it could be a blog regarding any product or services, or it could be a social media caption, it could be a ad copy, whatever ad that you are seeing, it could be a video in YouTube. So any form of like you can say content that we are consuming, that comes under the content marketing. So if you are want to know more about content marketing, I've already created a video about content marketing. You can check that in my channel. And that's all for today, guys. See you in the next video. Do subscribe my channel to get regular updates regarding digital marketing. Thank you, guys. Have a great day ahead.